Hello YouTube. Today I will tell you how to make this cool blending picture in Photoscape X Pro. So without time wasting, let's get started. Open Photoscape X Pro and you can see some option in top side. Click on Editor option. You can see it's like Photoscape-like interface. Then locate your picture in Folders tab. Then select your image and click and drag to it preview window. After importing the image, you can see all editing tools in right hand side. Click on Insert tag, then click on Image tab. Then select the image you want to blend with this image. After selecting, click on Open. You can see now in preview window. Then in right hand side there is Blend Mode. Click the drop down option. Then select Multiply Blending option. Then you can see the effect in the preview window. Then resize the image to fit in the screen. Then in down right hand side you can see Save the Pre-on. Click on it. Then it will ask, do you want to enlarge and save the photo including the objects outside? You should click on No option. If you click in Yes, it will be saved like this. So click on No option. Then JPEG quality, you should keep it in 100% to get high quality image. Then click on Save As option. Then select the folder to save the image. Then click on Save option. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share this video to help others.